Hi guys, it's Frugal Fani. It's July 5th and I don't have millions of dollars to put on a salute to America, but I do have $3.99 to buy this flagpole bracket so I can finally display my American flag. This is a flag that my mother gave me for my birthday. She had it flown over the US Capitol. If you would like to know how to have a flag flown over the Capitol and then sent to someone as a gift, drop me a comment and I'll show you how. I also have a few words of wisdom for you from the founding fathers. It goes a little something like this. We, the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, and promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity. We do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America. Those are words, but they're supposed to be the guiding purpose behind our government. One more thing I want to say about patriotism today. Peace is patriotic. Peace is patriotic. And actions speak louder than words. Peace and love. God bless America.